Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tiffany Ferdi Azara with study number 246120146 I am from the Faculty Economics and Business Institute Technology Ahmad Dahlan Karawaci. Today I'm going to talk and presentation about one of the most unique and meaningful cultural traditions from New Zealand, guys. So it's called the Maori Hangi. At first, it looks simple. It's just cooking food on the ground, but actually the Hangi carries a story, identity, and very depth cultural values. So, in this presentation, I will explain what is, how it works, and why these traditions will survive today. Okay, slide 1 about my title, Maori Hangi. Okay, first of all, this is the title of my presentation, yaitu the Maori Hangi. This is the traditional earth oven cooking method of the Maori people. Slide 2, definitions. So what exactly is a hangi? Okay, guys, I will explain it. A hangi is a traditional way of cooking food by using the ground as the oven. People heat stones until they're very hot. Place foods such as a meat and vegetable on top of the stones. Cover everything with soil and let it cook slowly for hours. Okay? What makes this special is not only the taste, but that idea behind it. Okay, the Maori use the earth itself as a part of the cooking process, showing how close their lifestyle is to nature. Okay, next slide 3, history about Maori Hangi. Okay, the history of Hangi actually takes us back hundreds of years ago when the Maori first settled in Aotearoa, which is the Maori name for New Zealand. They didn't have metal tools or modern equipment, so they used natural materials like stones, fire, and the ground. At first, the hangi was simply a practical way to cook a food, but after generation, it became part of their identity. It was used during important events like weddings, funerals, and celebrations. Even when Europeans brought new cooking tools, the Maori kept these traditions alive because it reminds them of their ancestors and their roots. Okay, the hangi show how they survive, how they adapt, and how they stayed connected to the land. Next, about the process, the process of making a hangi is really interesting, guys. It starts with digging a pit in the ground, then large stones are heated in a big fire until they're extremely hot. They even glow sometimes. While the stones are heating, people prepare to food. They wrap chicken, lamb, potatoes, kumara, and other vegetables, leaf, or cloth. Okay, after that, the hot stones are placed inside the pit. The food is arranged carefully on top of the stones. Then everything is covered with soil, guys, and then the waiting begins. The food cooked slowly for several hours, but this waiting time is part of the cultural too. People gather, talk, laugh, and share stories. So the hangi is not just about eating, but about spending time together. Okay, next slide 5, about foods. Foods cooking in hangi. Okay, in hangi, the food used is simple but very flavorful. Common ingredients include chicken, lamb, beef, potatoes, kumara, pumpkin, and other vegetables. Because the cooking use natural heat from the stones and the earth, the food becomes very tender and soft, and it has a smoky earth aroma that you can get from modern cooking methods. Okay, slide 6, cultural values. Okay, about cultural values are from Maori Hangi is one of the most important things about the Hangi is the cultural meaning behind from the Maori. Preparing and Hangi represents togetherness and cooperations. So it requires teamwork. Everyone helps from preparing the food to digging the pit. Okay, guys. Maori Hangi it also represents respect for ancestors. This is traditions has been passed down from generation to generation. To everyone time they make a hangi, it's like honoring the people who came before them. Okay, guys. So and lastly, the Hangi show the Maori connection to Maori. They don't use the earth to live. They use it to cook together and to keep their culture alive. Okay, next. Slide 7. Hangi in modern times. Okay, I will explain this here, guys. Okay. Uh, Even though the world is modern now, the hangi is still preached today. Many Maori families still use it during special occasions. There are also cultural festivals and tourism events where people can watch the whole process and learn about the traditional Maori hangi. Okay, sorry. So, some communities use modern tools to imitate the same effect when digging a pit isn't possible. But even with this change, the meaning stays the same. The hangi continues to connect people and preserve their cultural heritage. Okay, next slide. Okay, this is about consolations. So to summarize, the Maori hangi is more than cooking technique. It's a it's a culture symbol that reflects this history, value, and identity of the Maori people. Through the hangi, they connect with their ancestor and with nature and with each other, guys. This is why the traditional still exists today and reminds me an important part of the New Zealand culture. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching for my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.